Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to write a short essay on Eid Ul-Adha. Eid Ul-Adha is one of the most important festivals of Muslims. This festival honors the devotion of Prophet Ibrahim to Allah. People wear new clothes on this day. Animals like goats, sheep, or camels are sacrificed according to Islamic tradition. People greet each other by saying Eid Mubarak. Eid Ul-Adha spreads happiness, peace, and brotherhood in society. Charity and helping the needy are important parts of this festival. Relatives and friends visit each other during this festival. This festival is also known as the Festival of Sacrifice. Muslims celebrate it with great joy and faith. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.